Hello friends, let's develop a C program of linear search. First we'll open a file, new file, save it, linear search 1. We will include the header files. Then the variables, then function void main, and now the variables like an array with the 5 elements. It is up to your requirement. You are using 5 elements, 10, 11, 15. It is up to you. I for looping. Location, firstly the location will be -1. An item to be searched for, clear screen, enter array elements, %d ampersand a I. These elements should be in looping. If we want to enter a single element, then we can use simple scanf function. If we are using more than one element, then the element should be entered through the looping. Okay. Enter item to be searched, scanf ampersand item. Okay, now we will compare the item with the array elements. So for statement will be used first. Total is the 5 elements. Then we will provide here the condition if item is compared with the array elements. If item is equal to AI, then we will set the location. If item is in an array, then location will be the location of the element of the array. So location is equal to I. Then loop is closed. If location, assume that if the item is not in the array, then location is -1. Then printf location is not found. Else printf location of TT is location item save it again. Now we will first check the errors, no error, then we will execute the program. Enter array elements 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here you can